AB partners sharing profit 2:1. Their balance sheet was as follows. On their debt, partner decided to dissolve the firm. A took the investment at agreed value 35,000. Other assets realized as follows. First, we have to transfer all the assets and liabilities to the realization account. What has given? Yes. Which balances are not to be transferred? Cash, bank, and B's capital. Then first we have to transfer two sundry debtors by PBD. What has given? 26,000 and 2,000. Next, to investment, to stock, to furniture, to stock, to furniture, to building. Investment 40, 10, 10, 60, 40,000, 10,000, 10,000, and 60,000. 40, 10, 10, and 60. From the liabilities side, yes, we have bank account as well as bank overdraft. Then bank overdraft is to be transferred as liability. Then to be transferred, bank overdraft, investment fluctuation fund. General ledger accumulated profit not to be transferred. Loan by A, this is partner's loan not to be transferred. By bank overdraft, by investment fluctuation fund, 30,000, 20,000. Yes. Anything which you want to ask? कुछ पूछना क्या पहले? ओके. Next, A took over the investment by A. Took over at 35,000. Other asset realized by bank. Sundry debtors full. Full means 26,000. Next, stock 15% less. Stock 10,000, 1,500 less. Furniture 20% less. 8,000. Building at 1 lakh. Sold for 1 lakh. Compensation to employees 10,000. To bank, workman compensation 10,000. Nothing is given about the bank overdraft. Then other liabilities to be paid, bank overdraft. There is no realization expenses. 30 plus 10, 40,000. Yes. Anything which you want to ask? One lakh, 16, 22, 42, 500. total is 142, 35, 30, 65, 85, 142, 9, 229, 500 in credit, debit 26, 120, 146, 146, 186. 3 to profit 43,500. Partners are AB. Profit sharing ratio 2:1. एक बार देखो प्रॉफिट सही है तुम्हारा. $29,000, 14,500. Yes, anything which you want to ask regarding realization account? Partners capital account. By balance BD, A's capital in liability side, credit balance 50,000. B's capital in debit asset side, to balance BD, what has given 30,000. First have to check accumulated profit losses. There is journal reserve. By journal reserve 56,000. $37,333 and 18,667. Next, any accumulated losses, it has not given. Then partner's name by A, yeah, I got two realization, 35,000. Profit by realization profit 29,000, 14,500. Balancing figure, two bank by bank 50, 50, 79, 86, 1,16,000, 333. $35, $33 less 330, 3,167. Yes. Anything? Bank to balance BD. What has given the bank balance? 10,000. Available cash deposited to bank. Cash account debit. Bank account debit to cash 6,000. जो पहले से कैश पड़ा उसको बैंक में जमा किया. अब बैंक कहाँ पर आ रहा है? ए. ये आ गया टू रियलाइजेशन 1,42,500. टू बैंक बाय रियलाइजेशन 40,000. Two partners capital by A's capital by B's capital 81,3,167 और ए का लोन, एज लोन refunded 34. Make the total, it should be equal 142, 152, 158, 500. 158, 500. Yes. Yes. नहीं, अपने पास कैश भी पड़ा हुआ है, बैंक भी पड़ा है, पर जब अपन ये जब फर्म डिसॉल्व होती है या कोई भी होता कुछ भी, तो हम पेमेंट किससे करते हैं? बैंक से लेते हैं, बैंक से देते हैं। तो अगर कैश अवेलेबल है तो उसको बैंक में जमा करा देंगे। यही किया आपने। Yes, have you completed this question? Okay. Question number 33. Ashok Babu Chetan means ABC sharing profit 3:2:1. Their balance sheet was as follows. Not to be transferred from the asset side is bank. Otherwise, we have to transfer two debtors, to stock, to machinery, to investment, to freehold property. From the liability side, not to be transferred, partners capital, partners current, and loan by Babu, that is B's loan, means we have to transfer only creditors and B. Yes. Two debtors, to stock, to machinery, to investment, to freehold property. 58, 39, 500, 48, 42, 48, 42,000, 50,500. By creditors by BP. Creditors 20,000, 25,500. First. Next, machinery taken by Babu. by B, machinery taken over at 45,000. Ashok took over the investment 40,000. Chetan took over freehold property at 55. Other asset realized means bank. What is given? Sunday debtors 56. 500. Stock 36,500. Creditors paid at 7% discount. Office computer unrealized 9,000. Unrecorded computer 9,000 realized. Realization expenses 3,000. ये टोटल तो पहले इधर 1,02,000. To bank, what we have paid, creditors 20,000 less 7% 1,400. Remaining is 18,600. Bills payable, nothing else given, then full amount to be paid 25,500. Realization expenses 3,000. Forty 55, 40 95, 1,40,000, 1,65,000, 1,85,000, 58, 97, 90, 140, 47, 100. 285 less 1,85,000, 1,100, 1,100. क्या 1,85,000, 1,02,000. एक मिनट 1,40,000, 65, 85, 500. 55, 1,40,000, 65, 85, 500, 1,02,000. 2,87,500 less 2,85,100. 2,400 loss. लॉस ही आ रहा है ना, अरे उल्टा जोड़ दिया. एक मिनट 8, 5 और 10, 11. यस प्रॉफिट टू प्रॉफिट 2,400. Profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. A, B and C. Current account. Either we have to prepare partners capital account and current account balances are to be transferred to capital account. या तो अपन जो अभी करंट अकाउंट का बैलेंस दे रखा है पहले उसको कैपिटल में ट्रांसफर कर दो और बाकी सारे एंट्री सीधे कैपिटल में ले जाओ, या पहले करंट अकाउंट कंप्लीट करो उसको कैपिटल में ले जाओ। पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट बाय बैलेंस बीडी, current account balance is 1053. Next, any accumulated profit, no accumulated profit, no accumulated loss by B. तो यहाँ आएगा टू रियलाइजेशन 45 बी के अकाउंट में, ए में आएगा 40, सी में आएगा 55, इधर आएगा प्रॉफिट प्रॉफिट और तो कुछ नहीं है, बाय रियलाइजेशन प्रॉफिट 1200, कुछ नहीं है। देन बैलेंसेस टू बी ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट टू, सबका इधर शॉर्ट है, यहाँ जाएगा बाय एज कैपिटल 28,800 बाय बीज कैपिटल 45 माइनस 5 40, तो आ जाएगा 39,200 बाय सीज कैपिटल 55 माइनस 4 51,600। यहीं पे बना लेते हैं। पार्टनर्स कैपिटल बाय बैलेंस बीडी 7055 27,000, ये क्रॉस ट्रांसफर टू एज करेंट अकाउंट 28,800, बीस करेंट अकाउंट 39,200, 51,600। जिनका इधर शॉर्ट है टू बैंक, जिनका उधर शॉर्ट है बाई बैंक। टू बैंक 29, 41,200, 15,800 by bank 24,600, bank account to balance DD 7,500 by bank to realization 1,02,000 to bank